Networks are about connecting people, and at the heart of DIH², we have a group of people who we call local evangelists in robotics, or LERs for short. They advance our cause with amazing passion, and they're also the people who are responsible for delivering our transfer technology experiments. I'm joined now by Andrei Martinic of Transilvania IT Cluster in Romania. Andrei, can you start by telling us about the mission of Transilvania IT Cluster?
Hello, everyone. Yes, of course. I am representing Transilvania IT Cluster, which was founded in 2013 to provide support services such as technical trainings, internationalization, technology transfer, and matchmaking for our initial 13 companies, I believe so at the beginning, and now I am proud to say that in 2023 we have more than 150 organizations in our community, and which we build here in the northwestern region of Romania. So these are mainly software companies, but we also have system and hardware integrators in our community. And in 2017, together with other clusters from other industries, we managed to actually initiate this very big initiative in our region, which is called Transilvania Digital Innovation Hub, with lots of hard work, and we have started to grow steadily since then.
So tell me, as an LER in Transilvania IT Cluster, how do you go about finding candidates for a transfer technology experiment?
Well, it was lots of hard work in disseminating the open calls and attracting the tech providers and manufacturing SMEs. But I'm proud to say that with all this hard work and the local robot days which we organized in the last years, we managed to attract more than 20 applications for these open calls with more than 40 SMEs from Romania. And happy to say that 2 of those projects has been funded by the DIH² project, each of them with 250,000 euro.
That's great. So other than the TTEs, what else has DIH² brought to you as a DIH?
Well, the primary benefit for us was, of course, the know-how, expanding our know-how on many technical aspects in the Industry 4.0 subjects. It has allowed us to understand better how other digital innovation hubs operate across Europe, with a view to bring some of those learnings, of course, to our ecosystem in Romania. We've also built very much connections and created huge amount of trust with those partners, part of the network. And I'm pretty sure that together with them, we will cooperate in the future. Additionally, I would say that before those, with those technology transfer experiments, which we supported through DIH², we have created some concrete examples of our portfolio of supporting companies in the region. And we have become very much appreciated in the Industry 4.0 subjects and discussion here in the region.
So you mentioned earlier Robot Days, and then you just talked here about Industry 4.0. So you took the Robot Days concept and you extended it further over Industry 4.0. Can you tell us a little bit about what that's about?
So with the help of DIH² project, we've scaled up the concept of the local Robot Day and have created the so-called working group on Industry 4.0. And in the last 1.5 years, we managed to actually attract more than 100 companies, both tech integrators and manufacturing SMEs, part of this working group. And we bring together almost on monthly basis all these companies to discuss about potential funding opportunities, potential collaboration among them, and of course for know-how sharing between them.
That's great. And as DIH² goes forward as a network of its members, what would you like to see us focusing on in the coming years?
Yes, we are happy to say that we would like to continue our active participation in the DIH² network, and we expect from it to offer the same opportunities to us and actions as in the previous years. Of course, facilitating connections and collaboration among DIHs and create context for building trust among the members of the network, among the LERs.
That's great. Thanks for your time, Andrei.